In this channel, we do math for fun.
Welcome to the third AMC preparation lesson. Today we'll cover algebra, and specifically we'll cover arithmetic sequences and series. What is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a chain of numbers such that each number added to some constant d equals the next number. The value d is known as the common difference, while the first number in the chain is known as the initial or first term. What is a series? A series is the process of adding the terms of a sequence. The terms in the sequence may follow an arithmetic pattern or it may not. For example, this is a series: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, etc. While this is a sequence: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Important concept number 1. How do we find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence? Well, suppose that the first term was a, and the common difference was d. What is the expression that gives the value of the nth term? The sequence would look like this: a, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. Since you add the value d n minus 1 times from the first to the nth term, the nth term is just a plus n minus 1 times d. Important concept number 2. The basic Gauss trick gives us a formula to calculate the sum of n consecutive integers, starting with 1. For example, how would you find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 all the way to 100? Well, we could just pair up the terms like this: 1 plus 100 plus 99 plus 2 plus 98 plus 3 plus 97 plus 4 plus 96 plus 5, and then solve. Since there are 50 pairs of terms that add up to 101, our final answer is just 5,050. Important concept number 3. To deduce the sum of an arithmetic sequence, we simply apply concepts numbers 1 and 2. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is just a plus n minus 1 times d, and the first term is just a. That means that the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence is just the number of pairs times the sum of each pair. That common sum is 2a plus n minus 1 times d, and since there are n divided by 2 pairs, this means that the sum of an arithmetic sequence is n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Here are some problems. Please take some time to solve these problems by yourselves, and feel free to pause the video. And on the next slide, there is some more problems. Here are some more problems. Feel free to pause the video and solve these problems by yourselves. On to problem number 1. What is the value of the expression below? 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus on plus 72 plus 76 plus 80. We take out a 4 here. So we get 4 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus on plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. You get that this sum is just equal to 20 times 21 over 2 by Gauss's trick, and this multiplied by 4 is just equal to 40 times 21, which is equal to 840. And that is our final answer. Evaluate the following expression: 200 minus 190 plus 180 minus 170 plus on plus 40 minus 30 plus 20 minus 10. To solve this expression, we basically see that the number of multiples of 20 that there are corresponds to the number of pairs that there are. And each pair has a value of 10. So you need to find number of multiples of 20. There are 10 multiples of 20, since 200 equals 20 times 10, and 20 equals 20 times 1. So the answer is just 10 times 10, which is 100. The sum of 51 consecutive integers is 4,080. What is the smallest of those integers? Well, for this problem, we basically see that the middle integer is x. If we let the middle integer be x, then the largest integer will be x plus 25, and the smallest integer will be x minus 25. When we add them together, all the minuses and pluses cancel out, so we get that 51x equals 4,080. X equals 80, meaning that x minus 25 is just 80 minus 25, which is just 55. On to question number 4. 8 consecutive odd positive integers are added together. What is the largest integer that must divide the sum? If we let the middle two integers be 2x minus 1, and 2x plus 1, the smallest three integers are 2x minus 7, 2x minus 5, and 2x minus 3, while the largest three integers are 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5, and 2x plus 7. The sum of all 8 consecutive odd positive integers is 16x, meaning that the largest integers that must divide the sum is just 16. So our final answer is 16. The 10th term of an arithmetic sequence is 80. The 30th term of the sequence is 120. What is the value of the first term of this in the sequence? Well, from here, we see that from the 10th term to the 30th term, you added d, or the common difference, 20 times. So we get that 20d equals 120 minus 80, and d equals 2. Since d equals 2, that means that the first term is just 80 minus 2 times 9. So our final answer is 62. The reason that this is true is because there are 9 common differences from the first term to the 10th term. So you subtract 9d from 80 and get that 80 minus 2 times 9 equals 62. The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 500 less than the sum of the next 10 terms. If the 20th term of the sequence is 175, what is the first term? So let the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus on and on plus x10. Let the sum of the next 10 terms be x11 plus x12 plus x13 plus on and on plus x20. We see that x11 minus x1 equals 10d, where d is the common difference. And x12 minus x2 equals 10d, and so on, all the way to x20 minus x10, which equals 10d. That means that the difference between the sum of the next 10 terms and the sum of the first 10 terms is just 100d, and that equals 500. So d equals 5. And since the 20th term is 175, we just subtract 19 times 5 from 175. Since the first term and the 20th term have 19 common differences in between. And our final answer is just 80.
Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like this video, as well as turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!